Okay. Welcome to the channel, and will probably be the final video of the year, possibly, as well as the final t-shirt draw of the year. So cheers to a pretty decent year overall.
Cheers.
And we're not even going to give you the update on the Merc, although the boys and I got a ton more stripping done, but I'll update you that.
You guys are strippers?
Yeah, we are strippers,
Ooh,
yes.
I don't want to know what goes on out here.
It's gross.
Probably.
But we'll give you that update in the next Merc video, which will be coming soon enough. There's going to be some time over the holidays to work on the car. But we do have a bonus. There was another viewer's showcase that never actually got done. Kind of got lost in the archives, if you will. So we'll be showing off Ray's 64 Mercury Park Lane convertible, as well as his 58 Apache truck, which is another sweet piece. So we'll put that in. We're going to go right to the t-shirt draw. So I've got Vanna to help me this time. So Vanna is in charge of the wheel because that's almost outside of my realm of managing that. So we'll go right to it. So Vanna, spin the wheel.
Not Vanna. Julie. No
But
ball
you got to
gown.
show everybody.
No ball gown.
So we're going to show you the wheel so you can see that all the people who participated in commenting and a couple that were on the short are on there, but everybody is on the wheel. We're giving away 3 t-shirts this time. And if you want to upgrade to a long sleeve shirt, I guess it wouldn't be a t-shirt. Is it a t-shirt? Yeah,
No.
I guess.
No.
No? Okay.
No.
But you can upgrade,
Shirt.
yes, because it's cold. Actually, it's like freezing.
Maybe it's cold outside.
Yeah, just a little. So anyways, Vanna's going to get right to it, and
Not Vanna.
good luck to everybody. We wish everybody great luck.
So Julie is here, not Vanna.
Come on, Vanna, get with it. Oh,
Whoa, there's the wheel.
Okay.
All
there we go.
right. Spinning.
I can't see a thing. You're blocking my face.
Well, come closer.
Oh, I can see. I can't see who's going to win.
Who's going to win?
Does it say?
Yes. Richard E.
Oh,
You are
Richie.
our first winner.
Congratulations, Richie.
Now you're out of there.
So you get the first t-shirt, and we're going to go right to the second winner. Well, I hope it picks a winner.
I don't think it says yay, so I don't think it would yay a loser.
Yeah, but we could just keep going yay all night.
Yay! Who is it?
Oh, and it is
Anthony B.
Anthony B. I think Anthony won a t-shirt before, so congratulations, Anthony.
All right, so we have one more?
We have one more, yes.
Just one more?
So one more t-shirt to give away.
I'm getting thirsty.
Yes, it's that time of the day. We're done working for the day. Done.
Yes.
And the final winner is Supermaz.
Yay!
Well, congratulations, Steve, as well. So Richie, Anthony, and Steve, we're going to reply to you so you can get back to us through email so we can get a size and an address off you. And we're going to fix you up with a couple of Hot Cars t-shirt and your choice. If you want a long sleeve, you can upgrade that easily. No, I got a short sleeve on.
Well, you're showing like a lumberjacket.
But it's the sleeve.
Oh, it is a sleeve.
It is a sleeve, right?
True.
So we'll leave you with the viewer showcase, and there really isn't any more to this video. Most of all, from all of us, the boys said to include as well. Everyone at Hot Cars wishes everybody a very Merry Christmas.
Safe holidays.
Safe holidays.
I'll be
Cheers.
working
Cheers.
while he's playing.
Take care. Bye.